Hello again. We're moving on with the second part of on our Binary Options Academy project, trading the thrust of a triangle or of a contracting triangle. And I would like to move on with a clear example, and this example comes on this Euro US dollar contracting triangle that we had for quite some time before the downside came. Now the whole move and the whole pattern starts from this moment, from here, and this would be the beginning of a triangle. Now a wave A to the upside normally should be this one. The B wave should be this one. The C wave should be this one. The D wave, of course, the move to the downside. A, B, C, D, and E. A, B, C, D, and E. And there you go. We have the B to D trend line. And of course the A and C trend line. Now that is the contracting triangle. So again, the concept of the thrust of the triangle. Now the thrust of the triangle, we said it is 75% of the longest leg of a triangle. But the longest leg, if the triangle begins here, is not wave A, but is the B wave. So what we actually need to do is to go and take a Fibonacci retracement from the highs and to the lows. We put like this, and we go and take 75%. Now this is 61.8. Let's try to edit a bit the Fibonacci tool, edit levels, and then we put 61.8. Let's put one here, 75, like this. Click OK, and then the 75% level appears there. So we just take the measured move, 75% from here to here. This would be the thrust of this contracting triangle. Let's make it blue like on the previous example. And if you take this measure move here and you put it by the moment that the triangle ends, so you need to know where the E wave ends, as the E wave is not ending here, but the E wave is ending here. And if you put it on that moment of time, you have the exit, or you have the take profit and the measure move of a thrust of a contracting triangle. You might say, well, it's not that big. Well, it depends very much on the time frame that the pattern appears, because this one is appearing on the 4-hour chart and the market still travels some pips here. If you take a look, it is 136.20, and by the time the thrust of the triangle is confirmed, it is 100 pips lower. And it depends very much what you are trading, because if you are trading the regular spot market, then 100 pips is 100 pips. I mean, the value of a pip can differ from an investor to an investor, depending on the risk appetite, the risk aversion, and so on. But when you trade binary options like we do here, then only one pip if the market moves in your favor. You should still be on the safe side with the option expiring actually in the money. So the concept of a triangle depends very much on the time frame that appears. If a triangle appears on the 5-minute chart, you may even go and trade 60 seconds, because on the 5-minute chart the thrust of the triangle also may give you the clue where the market move should go. How about, or what about if the market breaks, it doesn't come to 75% and then reverses higher? It means that your labeling here or your contracting triangle is not confirmed by the market, and that is not a contracting triangle. You should rearrange. You should take a look at where the mistakes are, what to do to avoid them on the future, and how to adjust your strategy. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and we are looking at the thrust of a contracting triangle in our Binary Options Academy projects. Thank you, and bye-bye.